Hello, this is Jane Goodall. Today is the 5th anniversary of World Swift Day. It's a day to celebrate these magical little birds, all of the many species that are found in almost all parts of the world. But the day also gives us an opportunity to share the shocking news that these fascinating birds are threatened in so many parts of their range. There are two main reasons why they're in danger. Firstly, there's a threat to their food supply. Swifts only eat insects, and as we are now increasingly aware, insects are decreasing due to the use of pesticides and herbicides, habitat destruction, climate change, and other harmful human activities. Back in the 1940s and 50s, when I was growing up in England, you couldn't leave a window open at night if there was a light on, because almost instantly your room would be full of moths and other night insects. Now, I'm excited if one moth flies in. The second threat to the swifts is an ever-decreasing number of breeding sites. To give an example, let me talk about the chimney swift. This species breeds in North America and migrates to and from South America. Chimney swifts do just about everything on the wing: eating, drinking, bathing, even snapping off twigs for nesting material. They only stop flying to nest and roost. What is especially fascinating is that their nests, made of little twigs, are glued to the inside walls of chimneys, or sometimes inside hollow trees, glued with their sticky saliva. And as chimneys have largely become unavailable to them because they are capped and hollow trees are so often cut down, the population of these swifts has declined a shocking 95% in the last 50 years. But if you care, and I hope you do, there are a number of ways you can help these swifts. First of all, raise awareness by telling your friends and neighbors about these marvelous little birds and the problems they face. And if you have a chimney, be sure you don't renovate or clean it during the breeding season. And please don't get rid of hollow trees. You can also contact local swift experts who'll help you install chimneys or build special swift towers that the birds can use as nesting and roosting sites. Finally, and this is such an exciting way to help, you can join a swift night out near your home. These are evenings when you can witness the amazing show of hundreds of swifts diving into narrow chimneys where they'll roost for the night. So now I invite all swift lovers to join me in celebrating World Swift Day, and tell your friends to join us. Finally, a special thank you to Martine, or the Swift Lady as we call her, for introducing these fabulous birds to the Jane Goodall Institute's youth program, Roots and Shoots. I truly hope that hundreds of Roots and Shoots groups will participate in this 2023 World Swift Day. Thank you.